it's going to be specific to your community and your contacts and things like that. It's not going to be for everybody, but it might be for some. The only way of truly knowing whether or not it fits is, firstly, it's quite evident that Patrick does enjoy doing those, putting those together. That first and foremost, it's got to be fun. Otherwise, it's just hard work.
Yeah.
And the only way to test whether or not your connections, your community are going to resonate with that is by putting that type of content out there, engaging it. And it's not like I've put a couple of videos out and these response. It's got to be over a predetermined length of time. You've got to say, well, let's say I'm going to do it over the course of 12 months and I'm going to put out one a month. And that's going to be your baseline. And then you gauge it. And it's one of those things that every time a new social platform comes out, you've then got to almost sort of start again, and you've got to test it again, because each platform is going to target different demographics, and it's tweaking what you're doing to suit that platform to get the most out of it. But there is no rule behind it. It is literally create it. It's got to be fun. You've got to enjoy it. Create it, because that will come across in the final article. It's got to be fun. You've got to enjoy it and put it out there and just test the market and see what resonates with people. And through that, you can then make the sort of minor tweaks here and there. But it's never going to be, oh, I've done one and this is the success. Behind that one video is going to be hundreds of failures, or I was close to the mark type videos. But again, it comes back to then documenting that process. We only see that one video that went viral. What we don't see is all of the others that didn't quite make it.